Hi everybody, welcome back. And now we will have some presentations about what happened at the Hackathon this weekend. I will leave Ben, who was the Hackathon initiator, to present you everything and also introduce the team.
Hello, how are you? Are you well? Have you eaten? The difficult point is after lunch to start something. So, how are you? Fine? I want to hear. Fine? Fine? Have you eaten? I didn't hear. So, we start now. Hackathon. You know what is a hackathon? What? Are you working a hackathon? Okay. So, we had a hackathon Pennsylvania this weekend. What is happening here? No signal? I have a presentation. Okay. So, I started in Han Airport. Who knows where's Han Airport? Great, really. Great. So this guy said, I want to fly from Frankfurt. He said, we buy from Han. Han is somewhere in the Pampa in Hützrück. You know Hützrück? Water, very good water. And it's in Pampa. So I was thinking, how can I trick Wizz Air? You know Wizz Air? Yeah. It's a good operator. Yeah. Very cheap, very good. And I buy from Heinemann 2 beers. So it was, Bitburger is a sponsor for German national team in Brazil. Who love football? Oh, no, yes. Very good. Wonderful. So, after so much beer, I must use this. Sorry, I go. Oh. And I landed in Turbo Mureș. Yeah. Transylvania Airport. Very cool name. Transylvania Airport. Then I landed in Cluj Hub. It's Cluj Hub? You know where Cluj Hub is? Yeah. Who was in Cluj Hub? Great. Is Christian here? Come, show your face. I want to see you. You're lazy, yeah, big now, you know. Yeah, Ardial, lazy. After lunch. So we started the hackathon from the beautiful colors. You know what is this? Who uses something like this for something? I don't know. Nobody? Oh, okay. So we have some good people here. So, at the beginning was the idea. So a lot of people present ideas. How much costs an idea? You know? Nothing, really. But idea is idea. And more ideas. So we had 28 ideas. 28. Then the people must vote. And from 28 we had, at the end, something like this. Trust me, I'm an engineer. So, and work. And working. Sorry, this was work. It's not really work. And work. Is this guy here? Yes. Come here, please. Come here. Come here. Okay, how it worked?
It was great and pretty exhausting, as you can see. You know, we worked with the eye tracker and there was like 5 in the morning. I needed help.
But at 4 o'clock we have something like this. You know, at 4 o'clock. Good. And volunteers. Where are the volunteers? Are some volunteers here? From the hackathon? Okay, great. So thank you very much, volunteers. Wonderful. A lot of water, pizzas, and so on. Well, we have some collateral effects. You know this guy? You know him? Yes. Who is this guy? Show me, please. Second time. Thank you very much. Thank you. How was the effect from the glasses? The effect.
It was fantastic. I threw up on the floor.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, we have some pets. Was not good? Very good. So, but our jury. Sorry guys, sorry, the jury is you're so decided the third place go to Marriott. Where is Marriott? The team? You're here.
Yeah.
Wonderful! Marriott number 3.
We're here to present our project.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Thanks. Okay. Yeah, let's just switch the picture.
So they're working very hard. Now it's technical. We are engineers. Now it must work. Wow. This way. So not this. This is a Windows screen. Who is using new Windows now? Right now. And how many Apple? Half now. More. Linux. Who has Linux on his Mac? Come on, guys. So this is cool. Some numbers, augmented reality. So ready to ramble?
Yeah.
Come on, ready to ramble?
Ready to rumble. So, my name is Kovac. I have a team. They're called Marriott. And yeah, I have to press allow here. And we had this idea to create a game, and we would like to play the game by wearing a Google Glass. So we would have this game showing in front of our eyes, and we would play this game with using this motion leap controller, which is a small device that can see our hands move. It's like Kinect somehow. It sees the movement of the hand and translates these movements to the computer, and to control this game by just swiping your hand in the air. Okay, now the game itself will be 2048. Do you know 2048?
Yes.
Great. You should. If you don't know 2048, it's an addicting game. It's cool. You could waste a whole weekend by playing it and trying to win. It goes to the cubes and the numbers of the power of 2, whatever. So we wanted to implement that, but then we thought we would do it in augmented reality, and in 3D. So we have cubes now, and it's 4x4x4, and you can see it on the screen, and it's augmented reality, which means that we have a paper. This is called a marker. It has to be a complicated pattern, so the software can understand it and project a virtual thing on it, and it's a cube, and can be a small cube, and you have these numbers right here, and you can control the cubes by moving your hand above the device, which is called motion leap, and Vitaly is playing with it. He's swiping his hand to the right and to the left, and cubes should move accordingly. Yeah, I don't see them moving that, but great. It worked on my machine. Okay, let's talk about something else. Okay, this was working, but we are having problems with the connections because the device, which my colleague is holding in his hands, he's standing right there, he's holding a tablet in his hands, that is projected to the screen. That should talk to the computer, but we need a proper network for this, and we set up a Wi-Fi on our phones, but it's not powerful enough, whatever. Now it's working, yeah, I think. Yeah, can you see it? Up, down again, to the left, to the right. Awesome, yeah, the numbers are adding. I think it's plugged again. No, it's not. It's cool, okay. Marcus, do you want to try it?
Yes.
Yeah? Come on.
Does it work? Does it understand that I'm left-handed?
It will understand that you're left-handed. Okay, he's giving him a preview, so he could actually understand what he's doing. It's a picture of his hand that is caught by the motion leap. He's seeing his hand. The cues you can only see on the projector because the tablet is at Deju, and unfortunately it's connected with a wire to the projector.
Oh.
Yeah.
You killed it.
Oh my god. So?
I overloaded it. Yeah, it's working.
I think we should make a competition to reach 2048.
Can you see it moving?
It's moving. Smash!
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice, guys.
Yeah, thank you. So we also thought this is what we did in 24 hours. This is all it does. But we thought this implementation could have other usages as well. Am I talking too much? No, I hope not. It could be used in schools. It's like a learning platform. For example, in medical schools, organs could be presented in the screen, on the screen, and the students only need a tablet, an application installed on a tablet, and a printed paper. And they could inspect the organ from 350, 60 grades, wherever they want, and the teacher could move the parts. They, I don't know, disassemble them, show the different parts, how they move. In physics, the model of an atom, anything like that. Yeah, I know I don't have any more time. I would like that. Okay. Do you have any questions? I see no hands raised. There is. Tell me.
Why would you choose a technology that's a lot slower in input and responsiveness than any other technology that we have available right now? I mean, anything you can do with it, you can do with the mouse.
We have just micro. Okay. Run.
Thanks. So, are you meaning that this motion leap is slow? It's not slow. It's really fast. If you understand the hand movements really fast, it's okay. I understand that point.
The complexity you need and the time you spend in order to give it input is higher than a lot of other devices and input forms that are out there.
True. So, first of all, we had to use these devices. The hackathon was about using these devices, connecting them together and putting something together with them. So that's why we are not using a mouse, because I could do that at home.
And it is cool to control with your gestures thing. So
it's something cool.
Like the mouse, not like the cursors. It's your gesture.
Yeah, it's something cool. You know, have you played on PlayStation 3 with the Kinect? Or is that Xbox? So, yeah, it's kind of cool. Okay, if this application is not using the motions, it's not exploiting every motion of the hands, but you could build other applications that use those motions, and that's why it's good. It's 3D. Mouse is 2D.
Yeah, another last question. No question?
Other questions? That's in the back.
So which framework are you using? In which framework have you implemented the game or the system?
Which framework did we use? You say?
Or which system?
Yeah, so technologies. The graphics is by using Unity.
Okay.
And kind of that's it, because we use Java for programming, and the Motion Leap has an SDK for that.
Yeah.
That's kind of it.
Just to select something.
Euphoria, of course, for image recognition, because for image tracking, you know.
Oh yeah, Euphoria for image tracking. That's the augmented reality part. That's what's getting how you are standing related to the paper.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And now the second place. Who is your boss? So, can you present your team, please? It's hard.
No. So, my name is Drupal, and I won the second place this weekend at Pennsylvania Hackathon, along with my colleagues. Dragoš. He's currently running away from me. Did I scream? Okay. Glad.
So this is sabotage.
And it was me. A great team.
You
And
get connect on the other side. Yeah. Hey guys, you're going to everything? Oh! Please give the others. So, maybe you can explain what you have done, so some words. Hello?
okay, so we tried to save lives this weekend. We wanted to create an application that connects to the next generation wearables and reads the heart rate and the blood oxygen level. And after calculate the chances that the user will suffer a heart attack, because it's a great worldwide, it's a great problem.
So you have the presentation.
Perfect. Great. Oh, okay. So our application's name is Heart Detective. Worldwide, more than 17 million people die because of heart attacks. In the US alone, it's more than 600,000. It is estimated that by 2013, it will raise to 23 million. So it's a pretty big problem. But not everyone knows they have problems. People think that they're healthy, they ignore the symptoms. So we try to do something to help them. The survey, we try to use the wearables technology that will appear this month or next month and help them monitor their heart rate using the blood oxygen level, accelerometer, and heart rate monitor. The wearables market, now it's pretty small, I know, but it is estimated that by 2017, more than 100 million units will be sold. So, this is our idea. We use a heart detective algorithm that uses as inputs the age, the weight, heart rate sensor, accelerometer, blood oxygen level, height, and other health factors as like if the user is smoking or has diabetes. They matter to increase the chances of detection. This is the application. We have a mobile application that connects to the wearable and shows your status along with tips and other things. I will show you later. And we will create a website where you can sign in and see your profile and other data.
You have just 1 minute.
Okay. This is the complete solution which sends the data to the computer where you could send it to the medics and this is the demo. You open the application, you choose your gender, your height, your weight, your age, a panic phone number where the application will call with an automated message in case of a heart attack.
The last 15 seconds.
Yes. Okay.
So, thank you very much. Sorry, 5 minutes. Okay. So, and now we present the winners. Please, winners. You have 5 minutes. Excuse me?
Questions.
5 minutes. So we have 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, he wants to present everything, question on everything. Sorry.
Okay, can you guys hear me? Hello, we are the security team. We are colleagues from high school, from college, university. Here we have Istvan, Lucian, Roland, Ovidiu, Ionuț, and Anga. We started this as a challenge for us to see what happened and what can we do with an idea. The idea of participating to this contest was from Lucian, and Lucian and Ovidiu came with the idea of the development, Ovidiu mostly, the development of a way to actually be able to introduce your code at the ATM without having to use your hands. We did some research on this and we found out that mainly thefts in ATMs are caused because of the people standing behind you while you type in your code. And watching you and many other reasons and ways in which you can steal a card and blah blah blah. I think I'll let Laurie explain a bit of the hardware and the process we are using.
Okay, so Ishan is starting up the project. If it starts, hopefully. Okay, so we developed a software that will watch your eyes. For this, we use an eye tracker, which is a pretty small device, and it costs only $99. I think you can hear me. It costs only $99. We connected a device, we get raw data from it, we analyze the data, so we get only coordinates where your eyes are, where you're looking at. We don't get anything else from it. We connect it, we get the data, raw data, we analyze it, we filter out the wrong coordinates, because often it gives us wrong coordinates. And after that, we transpose those coordinates to the screen that you have in front and to the numbers you see. And only by watching it, you can type in your password.
Okay, I'll be the user, so-called, and each one will be looking at the screen. So, for example, we have a user called John Smith, and his password is 1563. If he will try now to press firstly 1, the ATM is actually making a sound and a star is shown. Apparently he entered a wrong number. We have that as a possibility, and hopefully we had some problems here with the lights actually. Okay. The difficulty with this device is that you have to stand exactly at a point in which it can capture all of your. You have to sit exactly in front of it, and it has its own API with a calibration application. And okay, so. Meanwhile, I guess Ovidiu can tell us about the phone.
we made an Android application which basically replaces the credit card. When you get in the proximity of the ATM, the data will come directly from your phone and you will process the login using this device.
Your last minute.
Only 24 hours to implement this.
Yeah. Now we have a problem with the calibration.
And just speak, where's my money?
Okay, and for the future we thought that we could implement this also in the internet web pages when the user should have at home an eye tracker, and using the eye tracker he can enter the PIN. I don't know, in banks or companies, and also we thought that let's say you are carrying something, you're going home, and how can you open the door without using your hands? Enter your PIN with your eyes. Very simple. So,
Okay, great, wonderful, thank you very much. And this was the winner. So, I give now, with respect to my friend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, my friend.
That's my own microphone, you don't need to give it to me, it's okay. No, thank you very much.
I love to have you in hand.
Oh, well, I don't know. Anyway, so what I have, of course, is the question is that hopefully we'll see a lot of successful future local entrepreneurs from that. So are you going to start a business from that?
We are thinking about that.
Okay, that's excellent. So we'll talk about that separately. Maybe a good investment opportunity.